Oh.
Wow.
Nice. Pretty. Oh.
Oh, we're gonna get down there. It's too much shopping.
Yeah, I'll have to go outside then.
I don't know if it looks any better over there, but probably not. Oh. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Pretty. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, I love that sparkle shit. Yes. Ooh, glittery goodness. Oh, wow. Mm. Oh. Oh.
Wow.
Mm. Mm. Pretty. Kitty. Oh,
Wow.
yes, me. Oh, I think I might have missed that one. Oh. Whoa, it's a smiley face. Hmm. Oh, the train's one in on this. Ooh.
Wow, that was cool.
Yeah, that one I call Saturn.
Yeah.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, wow.
There's more trees and shit there. It's worse.
Yeah, could you check the other window?
See nothing there.
No?
No, because it's down lower.
Okay.
This is the highest point.
Alright. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Oh. Oh, there it is again. Oh, nice.
Mới có sẽ bên nào không?
Alrighty.
Có sẽ bên nào rồi?
Ooh, that one's nice. Oh, I kind of missed it. Damn it. Oh, I hear a bunch. Oh, what?
Yay!
Don't draw too much attention. This is a good spot. Oh, oh, ring. Oh. Oh. Ha. Oh. Mm. Wow, that's cool. Yo. Oh. Ooh, wait. I feel like I keep missing every time I take a picture. Okay, that one I got, definitely. Oh, 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 yo. Okay.
Stand back. See? I want to stand right there. Okay. There you go. Yep. Beautiful.
Why them do that? Grandma, why them do that?
Because it's the 4th of July coming. Are we done or you want to stay?
I want to stay.
But we have to go get McDonald's.
I know.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Oh, they go. Oh!
Beautiful, right?
That was a beautiful orange.
Beautiful orange.
Take a picture.
Oh.
Okay. Yep.
So send it to my mom.
You got it. You got it.
Ooh, that's nice.
He is looking at the fireworks out the window. As you can see, she said to take a picture for her mom, but I'm going to record it. You got it, P.
Okay. It's so pretty. Can we go outside?
Well, we have to go to the car so we can go to McDonald's.
Okay. Oh! That was a bigger one.
That sure was.
We go to boom.
And go kaboom.
I
Yep.
like the blue
I think we have to make it to McDonald's though. You ready? We're gonna see more tomorrow.
Okay.
All right. Let's see. That was nice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, yes. I'm sure. I'm sorry. That lady doesn't even know it's gonna be on YouTube. I tried not to show her face. She was kind of in the way. No children are in this video. Or rather, you can't really see her. That's nice. Like sparks. Some. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, yes. Oh man.
Attention customers. On Wednesday, July 3rd, we'll be running 9 extra getaway trains to serve the July 4th holiday.
There we go. Look at that
Thursday,
drip.
July 4th trains will run on a Sunday
Yes,
schedule.
beautiful. These are gonna be
Please
great
plan your
pictures.
trip using our train time app or at mta.info. Happy holiday.
Oh, holiday? Yeah, I guess that makes sense. Holiday. Okay. I'm so corny. Yep. That's nice. That's nice. Ooh. I like how they, like, kind of stay there for a minute. Second, whatever. Like it's frozen in time. Wow. Okay. Oh. Oh. The little screamers.
They got fantastic artworks.
Oh yeah, very
And
nice.
We were close, I bet you it was, uh-oh. Get out of here.
Another bug.
Overwhelming. Another. Wow.
Ooh man, those are kind of like stars a little bit. Ooh yeah, that's nice. Ooh yeah, I like that one a lot. I like it a lot. Oh, pippity popcorn. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, that was like, I don't know what it's called, some scientific term. Nebula, I don't know what it is. Ooh. Not me. Oh, that's me. Okay. Oh, lashes.
Oh, that must be it.
No, I don't think so. It kind of sounds like drums a little bit. Oh, yes. Yes, very nice. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa, holy crap. Like a big old collage. Coming together. Okay. Oh my Jesus. Oh, there we go. Yeah, get it. Model for me. Oh, nice.
Yay!
Oh, oh
Yay.
yeah. So good. In the hood. Oh, Ooh, sparkly. Oh my God, yes, so great. Oh my God, bubbles. What? I like those ones too. Oh, little Fiesta over here. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's nice, kitty. Kira. Ooh, yeah, this is it.
Yay!
Mickey Mouse show. Disney. Oh yeah. Oh, see, I knew it was gonna look crazy with all of them together like that. It's like massive explosions everywhere. Oh my God. Big paint splatter art thing. Yeah, that's cool. That's dopage. Oh yes, that's my words, biatches.
Wow!
Oh, look at that shit. Let's
We
see.
got simulcast.
Oh, that's so wonderful. Oh my God. It's crazy. Wow, Buffett. Oh, that's it? Is that it? Is that all? Wait, I hear a little bit more, but I don't know if that's... Oh, you're in the shop, Mom. All right, I think it's done. Oh, bye.